Well, hey guys, I'm joined by Phil.
Hi guys.
And we're going to be converting the Triumph Spitfire to overdrive. Now I've got a D-type overdrive unit, and the gearbox was reconditioned by a friend of mine, Will and Adam Chignale, and most of the parts have been supplied by Moss Europe. So let's get this in the car.
Let's go.
Let's get them. there we go, the non-overdrive gearbox is out and didn't come out too bad there, did it, Phil?
I thought it went quite well, to be fair, Steve.
Yeah. I mean, we had a problem with the prop shaft there, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we did have to drop the exhaust to slide the prop shaft out.
Yeah, unfortunately, the first time I'd done this job, it was many years ago on a Triumph Spitfire 1500, and that had a twin exhaust pipe, and you could just about squeeze the prop shaft between the twin exhausts, and it didn't cause too much of a problem. But with this guy, it's got more the original exhaust, and it just caused a little bit of an issue. So Phil just dropping the exhaust there and just managing.
It was easy though. It's just a couple of
it's only two bolts, and it just come out, and hopefully get in the new one the same way. Now, obviously, if we are converting your car to overdrive, you've got to remember to get the right size prop shaft, because overdrive prop shafts are that bit shorter than non-overdrive. As you can see, there's quite a bit in the back compared to a non-overdrive. But yeah, we'll get there, and hopefully get these in the car pretty soon. So
plus we need to change the mounting as well.
Because obviously
to suit the overdrive.
So we've got the new overdrive plate, adapter plate, and we've got the adapter on the back. So we've just got to bolt it down to that and get it in place. So let's get on with it.
Let's get it done.
Well, there you go. The Triumph Spitfire has been converted to overdrive, but unfortunately it's got too dark to work and Phil's had to go home. The other sad thing is the overdrive doesn't actually work. Now, everything on the electrical side of the overdrive works exactly how it should do. The relay's working fine, the switch is working fine, and so is the solenoid working fine. The solenoid is correctly adjusted. I've even tried driving the car and manually overriding the solenoid to see whether it is out of adjustment just a little bit through wear and tear. And everything seems to work as it should do, but the overdrive doesn't engage. So it's a bit frustrating, and unfortunately I couldn't show you wiring up the overdrive because it just got too dark to film. As for the hydraulic side, of the overdrive unit? Well, I know the gearbox has got plenty of oil in it, so I'm not worried about that. I also know that the filter is nice and clean because I cleaned it before I put it back into the overdrive, so that's all good. It's got to the point where I'm at the limit of what test equipment I've got for this overdrive. Now, I've tried a few other little bits and pieces here and there, but I've come to the point where I can't physically do anything more to this overdrive unit given the limited kit that I've got for overdrives. So the gearbox and overdrive, they're going to have to come out, and the overdrive is going to have to be sent off for reconditioning. Now, fortunately, I have got a spare D-type overdrive, so I'm going to send that overdrive off for reconditioning, and I'll still drive around in this car with the gearbox as it is, as a 4-speed non-overdrive. It is obviously frustrating having spent all day with Phil converting this car from non-overdrive to overdrive for the overdrive not to work. But unfortunately, that is life. Sometimes you get away with fitting second-hand parts and not reconditioning them, other times you don't. And today's been one of those cases where I've not got away with it. But gotta look on the bright side. I've had the gearbox reconditioned by my friends Will and his dad Adam Chignail, so thanks guys, because that gearbox is absolutely brilliant now. You know, it just slips into gear beautifully, so I really can't complain about that. And as soon as I get back the spare D-type overdrive from reconditioning, I'll put a video up online and you guys will see the continued progress of the Spitfire project. But for now guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.